Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Xbox account name on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This is different from changing your gamer tag. Your name is more like the display name of your profile. Open the Xbox app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Tap the three lines button from the top left of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and open Settings. In the settings, scroll down to the How You Look section where it shows your gamer tag and name, and tap the pen icon beside them. Here you can edit your first and last name and then hit the Save button. Your Xbox profile's name has now been updated, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.